guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great blessing day today. We got something really good today, to be honest. Like, I paid $60, so I'm hoping this is really good. It's a weighted shift knob from Mishimoto. I'm hoping it fits, but it should fit. We got this today. Let's just do a little
I can't see it from down there. Yeah.
Little unboxing. And this is how it looks. It almost weighs a pound. It has some good weight to it. See, it has the M for Mishimoto. And then it has like the little adapter pieces right here. So let's get straight into it. I'm very excited. $60. Just gotta unscrew this. Very simple. Very ugly. As you can tell, it's not a designer type of thing. Compared to this, let's do the comparison. Damn. Big difference. Alright, now we gotta find the adapter piece. Because there's 3 of them. I gotta find which one it is. It looks like the bigger one. Oh, found it. Now I gotta just twist it until it stops on this red thing. Just keep twisting, just keep twisting. Should give it a little bit higher up too. A little bit more length. Gotta make sure it's nice and snug, not too tight though. Okay, so now it's time to put the shifter on. Oh, this looks different. It's a little annoying, but it's whatever. Oh, this is way higher up. Jesus Christ.
You're gonna spray paint the red one?
Yeah, I'm gonna spray paint the red one black because I don't like how I don't like the red. I'm trying to go for the blacked out look with my car, and that red just pops too much for me. It's just a little like detail that I don't like too much. I want the M to be up there though.
No, the M right there.
There, that's what I want. That's how I want it.
You said the M up there.
Holy Jesus, that feels different. Oh my Jesus! This actually helps. Oh my God, that feels fucking cool. That feels sick.
You ready to get driving?
Feel this compared to that.
This feels like nothing.
Yeah, it feels like nothing. Yeah, I'm so excited. This looks so sick too. Oh my God! And then it just twists off. I'm so excited, guys.
You ready for a montage?
You guys don't even understand.
What we do here is go back. Where
are we going?
We're gonna go to my house. I'm just gonna try this out, and I'm gonna give you thoughts like about how I like it. It looks really sick. Sorry, my car's a little loud right now. So I'll see you guys when we get back to my house.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so we're back at my house, and first thoughts about the thing, no, I'm just joking. I fucking love this thing. Like, it just makes you shift so much better. I like the height of it. It's a lot higher, so it's just easy. Slips into first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Even reverse very well. Very surprised. I did not think it would be that good for $60. Like, that's quite a bit of money for a shifter, to be honest. Like, pretty expensive, but very much worth it. So if you guys were looking into a Mishimoto product, like a weighted shift knob like this one, let's give them another look at it. If you guys are looking at a weighted shift knob Mishimoto, definitely look into this one because it's universal. It fits into all vehicles, makes and models. It has little adapter pieces. That's what I had to put on here, but definitely look into it because very good thing for me. Definitely not sponsored though, but sponsor me. But very good product. I am very happy about it, and I actually might buy more Mishimoto stuff, to be honest, because it just surprised me. Very surprising. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tiny video. I know... Alright guys, it's been like three-ish days since you guys seen that last clip of me putting on the shift knob and all of that. But I just want to give you guys some final thoughts about what I actually think about it. Because I've been driving with it for 3 days or so now. And to be honest, I love it. It's great. It helps me shift easier, helps get into gear a lot easier. Makes just driving my car, let me fix my camera shakiness. Alright, helps me just driving my car so much easier. Like, it's just so much better, and I love it so much. So if you guys are thinking about getting a Mishimoto product, go do it. I'm not sponsored or anything, I just bought it out of pocket. but very much worth it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned to next week's video. I might have something very good coming up, and I'll see you guys next week. See ya.